Hello, future billionaires. Welcome back to Money Nation. Today, we're diving into the world of wealth creation, exploring the top 6 industries that have the potential to turn you into a billionaire. If you're dreaming big and aiming for financial success, you're in the right place. Before we unveil these lucrative industries, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more insights into wealth building strategies. Now, let's uncover the blueprint for becoming a billionaire. Let's get started. 1. Technology and artificial intelligence. Our first industry is a powerhouse: technology and artificial intelligence. As we navigate the digital age, industries like AI, machine learning, and software development continue to explode. Investing your time and resources in tech innovations can lead to groundbreaking success, with the potential to disrupt entire industries. In the ever-evolving landscape of the digital era, the technology and artificial intelligence sectors stand as beacons of opportunity for aspiring billionaires. With breakthroughs in AI, machine learning, and software development, investing in the relentless march of technological progress opens doors to revolutionary success. The ability to anticipate and shape the future of these industries can position you at the forefront of transformative change, a hallmark of billionaire success. Moreover, the global tech ecosystem fosters an environment of rapid innovation, creating endless possibilities for entrepreneurs. From the development of cutting-edge algorithms to the integration of AI in various sectors, the potential for groundbreaking solutions is immense. As a billionaire in the making, staying ahead of tech trends and harnessing the power of artificial intelligence can not only generate substantial wealth, but also leave an indelible mark on the industry. 2. Renewable energy. The future is green, and so is our second industry, renewable energy. With the world shifting towards sustainable solutions, investing in solar, wind, and other renewable energy sources not only aligns with environmental goals, but also positions you at the forefront of a rapidly growing and profitable industry. As global consciousness pivots towards sustainability, the renewable energy sector emerges as a frontier for both environmental stewardship and financial prosperity. Investing in solar, wind, and other renewable sources not only contributes to a greener planet, but also positions savvy entrepreneurs on the cusp of a burgeoning industry. The potential for innovation and profit in the renewable energy sector represents a compelling pathway to billionaire status. Additionally, governments worldwide are increasingly incentivizing clean energy initiatives, creating a favorable landscape for investors. The convergence of environmental responsibility and economic viability makes renewable energy a strategic choice for those aspiring to billionaire status. Beyond financial gains, contributing to a sustainable future adds a layer of social impact, enhancing the overall appeal of investments in this sector. 3. Biotechnology and healthcare. Health is wealth, and our third industry is booming: biotechnology and healthcare. Advancements in medical research, personalized medicine, and innovative treatments offer substantial opportunities. Investing in the future of healthcare can not only make a difference but also make you a billionaire in the process. In the realm of wealth creation, the biotechnology and healthcare industry are vital arenas where innovation intersects with human well-being. Pioneering advancements in medical research and personalized medicine present not only the opportunity to shape the future of healthcare, but also the potential for extraordinary financial gain. Investing in this sector not only aligns with a noble cause but also positions individuals on the precipice of groundbreaking breakthroughs. The dynamic nature of healthcare, coupled with rapid technological advancements, opens avenues for visionary entrepreneurs. From genetic therapies to novel drug discoveries, the biotech industry offers a vast playground for those seeking wealth through innovation. Moreover, the global healthcare market's continuous expansion, driven by aging populations and increased health awareness, provides a robust foundation for long-term wealth accumulation. 4. E-commerce and online marketplaces. The digital marketplace is thriving, and our fourth industry is a game changer: e-commerce and online marketplaces. With the convenience of online shopping, platforms like Amazon, Alibaba, and others continue to reshape the retail landscape. Jumping into the e-commerce world can lead to massive financial success. The evolution of commerce into the digital realm marks a seismic shift in how we buy and sell, with e-commerce standing as a testament to this transformative wave. Platforms like Amazon and Alibaba have redefined the retail landscape, offering unprecedented opportunities for entrepreneurs. By tapping into the digital marketplace, individuals can ride the wave of online commerce to substantial financial success, inching closer to the coveted billionaire status. Moreover, the proliferation of mobile devices and the increasing acceptance of online transactions create a fertile ground for e-commerce expansion. From personalized shopping experiences to innovative supply chain solutions, the e-commerce sector continues to evolve, presenting entrepreneurs with multiple avenues for wealth creation. As traditional retail models adapt to the digital age, those with a keen eye for emerging trends in online marketplaces can position themselves for long-term financial prosperity. 5. Clean food and plant-based industry. Our fifth industry is at the intersection of health and sustainability. The clean food and plant-based industry. As people become more conscious of their food choices, investing in plant-based products and sustainable food solutions presents a tremendous opportunity for growth and profit. The clean food and plant-based industry emerge as a synthesis of conscientious consumption and financial opportunity. With a growing global awareness of health and sustainability, investing in plant-based products positions entrepreneurs at the forefront of a burgeoning market. The fusion of ethical choices with lucrative prospects not only caters to a conscious consumer base, but also paves the way for financial success in the rapidly expanding clean food industry. 6. Space exploration and aerospace. Finally, our sixth industry is reaching for the stars: space exploration and aerospace. With private companies venturing into space travel, satellite deployment, and beyond, this industry offers unprecedented possibilities. Investing in the cosmos could potentially launch you into billionaire status. As humanity extends its reach beyond Earth, the space exploration and aerospace industry beckon with unparalleled opportunities. Private companies venturing into space travel, satellite deployment, and exploration of celestial bodies mark the dawn of a new era. For those with the vision and resources to invest in the cosmic frontier, the potential for not only transformative advancements, but also billionaire status becomes a tangible reality. Which of these industries are you most intrigued by? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're aiming for billionaire status, hit that like button. Subscribe for more insights into wealth creation, and check out our other videos for additional inspiration on the path to financial success. And that wraps it up, the top 6 industries that could make you a billionaire. Thanks for joining us. A big thank you for tuning in.